In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find both your public and private Klaviyo API keys, a quick and essential task that can be done in about 5 minutes. First things first, you'll need to log into your Klaviyo account. Head over to Klaviyo's website where you can sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, getting to your API keys is just a matter of knowing where to look, and I'll guide you through each step. You'll want to start by navigating to the account settings. In the lower left corner of the Klaviyo interface, you'll find your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Billing. This will take you to your account settings where we can access the API keys configuration. Now we're going to find the exact location of the API keys. In the left sidebar, you'll spot an option labeled Account. Click on this, and from the expanded list, select API keys. It's in this section where all the magic happens. Once there, locating your public API key is straightforward. At the top of this section, you'll see the public API key, often referred to as the site ID. This particular key is crucial as it's used for identifying your account with various integrations such as forms or tracking events. Having your public API key at the ready can simplify your integration processes significantly. Next up, let's move on to the private API keys. Scroll down a bit within the API key section and you'll find a section specifically for private API keys. If you've previously created any private API keys, they will appear here. Private API keys are especially important because they offer deeper interaction capabilities with your data, so handle them with care. If you find that you need a new private API key, creating one is simple. You'll see the option to create a new key, click on it. Before proceeding, you'll be asked to choose an access level for the key. You can select full access for complete control over all endpoints, read-only access for viewing permissions only, or custom access if you want to tailor specific permissions. It's vital to also name the key something memorable to easily refer to it later on. Once you're set with your configurations, click the Create button. The key will be generated instantly, but here's a crucial tip. Be sure to copy this key immediately and store it securely. Private API keys offer sensitive access to your data, and for security reasons they won't be displayed again for retrieval. Keeping it safe is non-negotiable. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated through getting both your public and private API keys in Klaviyo. By following these steps carefully, you ensure that your integrations are securely and efficiently managed.